Oh yay! Yay yay! Oh yeah, boy!
Gorilla, ostrich, emu, lion, cheetah, elephant, tiger, giraffe. Back there are the rhinos. Anyway, we'll cut to the next scene. It's endangered, and look at this guy. Look at him. Just look at him. He's cute. He's adorable. He's beautiful. Yep, he looks like the bird from Rio. To the next animals. Alright guys, we are in the Wings of the World aviary. Whoa! So these are all birds for all you bird lovers. We don't have reptiles here, but they have a lot of birds. I found a pink dove.
Oh, pink pigeon?
Pink pigeon, that's what I meant.
Right
Do you
there?
see
I
the...
saw a pink pigeon.
Yeah, do you... No, up there. See, it's like blue.
Oh, yeah. Up there in
There we
that
go.
tree.
That's a good shot.
Just above the... where that block is.
Here are some birds. Here are some birds. Here are some birds. Here are some more birds. Pink. Pink. Come here, good sir. I love you. Come here. Look at this. Whoa.
One of the tiniest flamingo.
What, that?
Yeah.
I think it might be an Arabis.
Scarlet ibis.
It looks like a flamingo.
Yep. There it is.
That was one of the smallest flamingos ever.
Dude, it's not a flamingo. It's an
I know what that
Arabis.
I never knew what it is.
Ibis. Ibis is what it's called. Here's a nice place to sit and not get pooped on. And I think I might have just... Nope.
Is that a bug pit?
No. Whoa, look at those down there.
Whoa.
Those are some beautiful birds.
No, they're cockatoos.
Dude,
Look over there.
do you guys, Chipmunk Girl, do you even know what a cockatoo is?
Yes.
Dude,
Those are
it's
pheasants down there.
pheasants.
It looks like a cockatoo.
Whoa.
Yes,
Look.
birds are stinky.
Look, over there, the one in the tree. It's like got a majestic blue.
Guys, look over there in the tree up there.
Whoa. Whoa, I don't know how good but that one looks cool.
That one's fine there.
Beautiful flowers of orangeness. And ducks. Dogs.
Huh? Oh, sorry.
And a bird back there who's all lonely.
The derpy animals that smile.
Alright guys.
Derpy animals.
So, yeah, we'll see you in the next